You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.
Good morning, guys. So it is about or exactly 8:47 right now, and I have on a full face of makeup. So it's Sunday and I'm getting ready for my friend's birthday party. So she turned 30 and she rented out a yacht, so we're all supposed to go and have fun today. So I've been up since 7. Like, that's not normal. I wake up at 7 every day anyway. So today I'm going to be styling and putting on this beautiful yaki unit that I got from WowAfrican, you guys. So this is what the unit looks like now. I straightened it last night. So happy I did, because it took me it took me like an hour and a half to get this straight. It was so much hair. It was so thick and fluffy. And I did it in my living room, but I recorded a little bit of it so I could show you guys exactly what it looked like when I first took it out of the box and stuff. But I did pluck it a little bit more. It did come pre-plucked, but of course I had to get it how I wanted it, you guys. And then the knots are already bleached. So WowAfrican is getting really good at bleaching their knots. Like, I didn't even have to re-bleach them. They look amazing on this unit. But yeah, this is what she looks like. Still super thick. Like, and I got it flat, yo. I got this pretty darn flat, but this is the unit that I'm going to be styling today. So just have my hair back in these 2 pigtails, and I'm going to pin it together like this. So I'm going to do how I used to do my wig cap back in the day. I'm gonna cheat it and just do it right here in the front. And then I'm going to be using Ericka J's products today. So I finally got my hands on them, you guys. They were always sold out every time I went on her website. But I got the gel, the mousse, and I also got the glue. But I'm not going to do the glue today because glue could be tricky with me sometimes. And I got to get this on like perfect the first go round, because I can't be late because we leaving at 11:30. The boat leaves at 12. We have to be there at 11:30. It's in Long Beach. That's 45 minutes away from LA. So I need to be out of the house by 10:20, I say, and it's 8:50 right now. So I already have my outfit laid out. Why am I taking this off? I guess eventually. I already have my outfit laid out. I just need to do the wig. Like, so hopefully this is an easy slay and it doesn't take me forever. Ooh, I got press-ons too, y'all. So, well, I've been having these since the beginning of quarantine, but I finally put some press-ons on.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend, I'm big family. I'm the storm in your dream making.
Oh, and then this is the inside construction of the cap. You get so much parting space, like all of this.
Dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah.
Okay, this actually looks good, but I'm losing some forehead, so I'm going to cut just a little bit of the front right here, because my hairline does not do that. Okay, Okay, so now that I have my shape of my hairline correct, or how I like it, I'm gonna go in with the Stuck On You. So I'm gonna slide this back. Just enough. Smells good. And it's clear, baby. So I'm gonna do section by section and do the middle first. Sticky. So I'm gonna go on top of that with this freeze spray, just a little bit.
Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future.
Okay, looking good, looking good. Look at that. That looked fire, y'all. Same thing on this side, going in with the glue or the gel. It's like I forgot. I ain't had nails in so long, y'all. It's like I forgot how to maneuver with them. These are extremely long though.
Me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream with
Favorite comb right here, you guys, by Petrie Essentials. This thing is so sturdy and heavy. It's just nice.
chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily, we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight, I wanna be.
We're doing good. It's only 8:20. I mean 9:20.
Want to surprise you, wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling.
Wow, that whole thing lifted up, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with this Insta Hole spray because I'm gonna spray it on top. Damn.
In the future with me, I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and be family. I wanna know it.
Oh my gosh, look. Why is it not holding? It feels sticky. You're not fucking with me, y'all.
I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend.
I hope that's on there now. Oh my gosh. So the ear tabs I still have to fix. Okay, what are we doing? I'm gonna go in with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down. Okay, let's gonna try the mousse.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM.
This is just a wax stick. It's a few little flyaways.
The way back and close from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in.
So while this is setting, I'm gonna go put my outfit on really quick, and then I'll be back to finish styling it, and then I'll show you guys the full look. Okay, halfway cute, and now I'm gonna take this off. Please be intact. Whew, it's laid, baby. Y'all, do I want baby hairs today? I don't think I need them. Let's see.
Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, chepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM.
Dang, I'm mad that this side looks so good and then this side is like sliding back a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this into like a little baby hair action just so that it camouflages my real edges peeking through. With my scissors. Like that a little bit. Take some mousse. So this is what I am working with. My little swoop action over here. I don't need baby hairs, but I want to do them so bad. But it looks so good without them. Okay, yeah. I'm not going to do baby hairs today. I've decided. I've decided I'm not. I'm lying. Okay, I'm going to do. So I'm going to see what I can like just pull out like this.
Back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends now. With your friends Girl up for my key.
And then just kind of let them like whisper around and do what they want. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the same foundation powder and just dust along these edges. I can't believe this looks like that, y'all. And then you guys know I like to take a little bit of bronzer and just go along like my hairline area just a little bit. Especially when you wear makeup. Because you know you contour, highlight, bronze, and then your forehead is always a little bit darker. Okay, love, so hair is all done, outfit is on. I'll stand up in a second so I can show you guys head to toe. But look at this. Look how good, especially this side, look how good the middle looks. Like, it looks freaking amazing, right? But this is the hair. It's actually really, really long. Okay guys, so I am all dressed and this is my final look. So the hat, the romper, the earrings, and then this cute little knitted bag I got from Forever 21. And then I got these cute shoes from EGO Official. These are actually from my last shoe haul that I did. I'll leave the video down below for you guys. I'm out of breath. I'm hot, y'all. And it is almost 10:30 now, so it is time for me to head out.